Good morning students and welcome back to your online class once again. So today in this tutorial I am going to discuss about that how you can insert the watermark in the Word document, and also we will learn about how to insert the header and footer and how to insert the date and time inside the header and footer option. So let us begin our video. Students, you can see that I have opened a MS Word document already here, and it is containing the few paragraph I have written. Now today I am going to tell you first of all that how you can insert the watermark inside the page. Before that, let us understand what is watermark. Watermark are actually the unhighlighted text, or you can say the text which with a very lesser light and appearance, which tells about your document. That is mostly used with postage stamps or keep your document confidential. So let us see how we can insert it in MS Word. So for that you need to go to the page layout tab. In page layout tab there is option of watermark, you can see here. Now after clicking on watermark you will get n number of options. Here you can select these options. These are going to be inserted behind the your text. However, if you want to give the watermark of your own, you can go to the custom watermark option. So first of all let us try this. So I have clicked on this confidential. So let us see it in a new page first of all, that how it looks, how it is inserted. You can see confidential word is written over here. You will see that there is a lighter image of which is written where it is written confidential, and above that you can write any text whatever you like. So this is the way you can insert a by default watermark which are present over here. Now it is given over here also. It is not properly visible behind the text because it is very lighter in shade. Now we can insert the watermark in particular image as a watermark also. Finally, you have to go to the page layout tab, click on watermark again, and you can, first of all you have to do remove watermark. It will be removed, and then you again go to the page layout tab, click on custom watermark. Custom watermark will help you to create the watermark of your own. You can write any particular text or you can insert any picture as well. So for inserting the picture, you can click on picture watermark, select a picture from your drive. Any picture you can select. I am clicking this one and click on insert, and here you can click the scale, the percentage scale, how much you want it to be visible. So I am clicking 50% right now and click on apply. It will be applied on your document. So you can see that there is a penguin image which is coming behind the text. So this is how the watermark can be inserted of your own. If you want a particular text to be inserted, so you can do that also. Go to the page layout tab again, remove this watermark, and again go to the page layout tab and click on custom watermark. Click on the text watermark, write a text of your own. Here there is a option given to write a text of your own, so you can write anything. Suppose I am writing important, and you can select the font size also, font style and size as well. So I am selecting it. Font size I am selecting as 80. You can select the layout also, in diagonal you want it to be presented or in horizontal. So same, it can be inserted, and press OK. So you can see a very light shade important is written over our document. When you will watch it clearly, it will be seen by you. So this is the way how watermark works. Alright, so let us move on to our next topic, which is inserting header and footer. Why do we insert header and footer, and what is in header and footer? Header and footer is actually, header is mentioned at the top of the page and footer is mentioned at the bottom of the page. If you want any text to be present in your document at the top of the every page, and if you want that particular text should be mentioned at the bottom of every page of your document, so you can take the help of header and footer command. So we will go to the header and footer again, go to the insert. You will get that option in insert menu also, or insert menu I am going to the option header. So when you click on header, you get many options here, many designs how you can insert the header. So I am clicking a simple one, and here you need to type your text. Suppose I am writing here chapter 6 MS Word 2010. So that I have written, and I will double click outside. So now if you have written here, it will come in every page. You can see chapter 6 MS Word 2010 is written over here. When you will keep on writing on this page and end up this page, it will come into the next page also. You can see it is mentioned here as well. When you go to the next page again, it will be mentioned. So this is the benefit of header, that it is repeated in every page of the document. Same goes with footer also. You can simply go to the insert menu and click on footer option. You can select a footer. So for footer you will click, suppose I am clicking the blank one. So if I write here that created by, suppose your name, so this is written, so it will be also coming in every page. You can see it is in every page, mentioned in every page. So this is how the header and footer can be inserted. It is very helpful when you want a particular text to be repeated in every page of your document at the top and at the bottom sides. Now there is one more good thing about header and footer, that you can provide that along with the chapter names. If you want, at the end of the page there should be a page number, or in the header there should be a date and time mentioned. So date and time can also be inserted as a header, which will keep on updating itself whenever you open the document. So it will update automatically. How it can be done? And first of all, you have to go to the header option. Go to the header option and then you just go to the design tab. In design tab you will get the option of date and time on the left. Click on date and time. Click on any format of the date and time which you want. I have selected June 17, 2021, and here there will be a box, checkbox of update automatically. So click on that, press OK. So you can see here that date is mentioned. I am giving some space so that I can see it properly. Date is mentioned. Right now it is showing 17 June in every page. However, when you open it on the next day, the date will automatically change, but it will follow the date of your computer. If your computer or laptop is having a correct date, then it will be updated by that. Alright, so same way the time can also be inserted. Just click on the, suppose I want to insert the time in the footer part. So I will click in the footer part. Let's give some amount of space here so that we are able to view the time properly. Again, go to the design tab. Click on date and time, right, and you can provide the date and time. So you can see I am clicking here 8:03 p.m. and OK. So that is mentioned over here. Double click it, you will be out of that tab. Now 8:03 p.m. is mentioned in each document. So this is how header and footer and date and time can also be inserted in header and footer, and the way you have learned about how to insert watermark also. So practice these topics at your home if you have computer or laptop. Watch the video very carefully. If you have any doubt or any queries, do text me or mail me. Till the time, stay safe and happy. Thank you so much.